World Health Organization has declared the recently discovered B11529 strain of COVID-19 to be a variant of concern, naming it Omicron. Preliminary evidence suggests increased risk of reinfection with this variant as compared to other variants of concern, said World Health Organization. The variant, first reported to WHO from South Africa, has a large number of mutations, some of which are concerning, WHO added. There's a probability that the newly discovered COVID-19 variant may bypass a person's existing immunity acquired through vaccination or natural infection, an official of the Center for Community Medicine at AIIMS, New Delhi, has said. The overall infectivity of the variant is, however, not known, Dr. Sanjay Rai said. The variant has been called the most heavily mutated COVID-19 variant so far. Union Health Ministry has updated its list of countries identified by India as at risk in COVID-19 guidelines for international passengers after allowing flights to resume from December 15th. Hong Kong and Israel are the new additions to the list. It also includes South Africa, Brazil, Bangladesh, Botswana, China, Mauritius, New Zealand, Zimbabwe, Singapore, and European countries, including the United Kingdom. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana said that physical attacks on judicial officers are on the rise. These attacks appear to be sponsored and synchronized. The law enforcing agencies, particularly the central agencies, need to deal with such malicious attacks effectively, he added. There are also attacks on the judiciary in the media, particularly social media, Chief Justice of India Ramana said. The center's PIB fact check page has warned people against a fake lottery message that promises a Rs 25 lakh reward. PIB also shared a screenshot of the fake scheme, which claimed to be jointly organized by Kaun Banega Crorepati and Reliance Jio Infocom. It also said that the central government has no connection with such schemes. United States and 6 other countries have urged the international community to ban arms sale to Myanmar military and expressed concern over reports of human rights abuses by its security forces. The United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, South Korea, and Norway have already embargoed arms sales to Myanmar. The military seized control of Myanmar in a coup in February 2021. Indian women's football team lost 1-6 against Brazil in opening match of the Torneo International de Futebol Feminino on Friday. Manisha Kalyan scored the only goal for India in the 8th minute of the match. For Brazil, Eri scored a brace for the host, while Debinha, Giovanna, Queiroz, Caroline and Gazi scored 1 goal each for the winning Brazilian women's team.